A very good evening, dear principals and teachers. I am Mehreen Shamim, and I welcome you all to this online workshop on AI for All, a program driven by CBSE, Ministry of Education, Government of India, in collaboration with Intel India. I have with me Ms. Nandita from the AI for All team. So, without any further ado, let's start with the workshop because a lot of things have to be done today. So let's get started. So let's start the workshop. Let me first of all share the agenda. First, I'll take you through the progress in AI at my school, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, followed by an introduction to artificial intelligence, how this program, AI for All, is aligned with India's national strategy and NEP. Then I will help you all to understand how to develop individual school action plan to make your schools AI ready. Then we'll start with the process of registering for the self-learning modules. So moving to the next slide. So it all began in March 2019 when CBSE introduced AI in the school curriculum in collaboration with Intel India. Under this pilot program named AI for Youth, selected students got trained and made some amazing AI-enabled projects, among which some are patent pending. The projects made by students were showcased twice in Delhi. The then Honorable HRD Minister, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal, CBSE Chairperson, Ms. Anita Karwal, senior government officials, principals, and teachers from various schools were present in these occasions. I got the opportunity to train 250 teachers under CBSE Intel AI Integrated Multidisciplinary Pedagogies Teachers Training Program. I also got the opportunity to review the CBSE Grade 10 AI textbook. These are some of the social impact projects done by our students like AI Autism Assistant, Cyber Detective, AI HR Assistant, AI Medic, Smart Food Planner, AI Reading Assistant, and many more. More about these projects you can find in the CBSE website, www.cbseacademic.nic.in/ai.html. And I was here. So I am the recipient of the Grand Winners AI Impact Shapers Award in Intel's AI Global Impact Festival 2021. Other recipients were from South Korea, Poland, and Singapore. Also, recently, my school, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, has been declared the first AI-ready school in the southern region of India. So we've got this AI-ready school plaque, and our school is the first AI-ready school here. So this is what we have done so far at our school, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, and we plan to build on it. Moving to the next slide. So now we come to the second part of the agenda about understanding artificial intelligence. So let's understand artificial intelligence. So teachers, what comes to your mind when you hear the term artificial intelligence? You can use the chat box to write your answers. Yes, teachers, you can use the chat box to write your answers. Ma'am, is the chat enabled, ma'am? Ma'am, from the CEIR team, is the chat enabled for everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It is enabled because I'm not able to see any of the messages. Can you make it for everyone to see the messages?
And now I make it like that. I made it.
Okay. Because when I'm seeing in the chat section, I'm not able to, yeah, now I'm able to see everybody's messages. Machine learning, analysis, prediction can bring abstract things to life. Very correct. What else comes to your mind when you hear the term artificial intelligence, teachers? Robot controlled by a computer, correct? Absolutely. What else? What else comes to your mind the moment you hear the term artificial intelligence? Usage of machines to do activities, correct? Intelligence demonstrated by machines, very correct. Absolutely. So now I'm getting so many responses. Yes, all these things comes to our mind when we hear the term artificial intelligence. Absolutely. Predicting human mind, simulating human, absolutely. Aligning with human thoughts, absolutely. So to define, so over here, when we talk about intelligence, yes, all these things comes to our mind when we hear the term artificial intelligence. So now, why is it important for all of us to know about artificial intelligence? Why all of us are being trained on artificial intelligence? It's because artificial intelligence is the driving force that will lead the future generations. Self-driving cars, widespread automation, robotic gadgets will become an integral part of day-to-day life of the human race. Trade, work, profession, employment will see a massive transformation. Therefore, fast adaptability is crucial so that we can handle the future tools with care and intellectual pride. Therefore, our understanding of artificial intelligence becomes crucial today. And basically, we are dealing with children, and children will be widely affected. So we have to be the torch bearers for them. So if our understanding on artificial intelligence is correct today, we can guide our children on the right path. Right. So this was all about, why we are being trained on artificial intelligence, because it is going to play a dominant role in all fields in times to come. And we are seeing a lot of difference AI is making nowadays. So now here, let's, go ahead and see about, know more about artificial intelligence. AI is considered as the fourth industrial revolution after steam power in 1760s, electricity mass production in 1880s, digital computing automation in 1970s, and today we have the cyber physical systems like robotics, automation, sensors, etc. And AI is getting integrated with this and giving us more satisfying experience. So now let's demystify artificial intelligence. For that matter, let us first understand what is human intelligence. So teachers, I would again ask you a question. What do you think makes humans intelligence? So before we understand artificial intelligence, let us understand what is human intelligence. So what do you think makes humans intelligent? You can give your responses. Yes. You can give your IQ, correct? Creative, thought processing, logic, absolutely. What else? They're creative, right? Aruna ma'am, you're correct. Uma ma'am, you're also correct. What else comes to your mind? Rational decision-making, thinking, IQ and creativity, learning, understanding, absolutely. Yes. We have the ability to think and respond, intellectual capacity, absolutely. Interpersonal contact, ability to think, absolutely. All these things makes human intelligent, no doubt. Cognitive process, presence of mind, to interpret, absolutely. So definitely all these things, make humans intelligent. So when we have to define intelligence, intelligence is a very broad term, and uh, it doesn't have only one trait or characteristic in it, but it is an amalgamation of many such traits which gives us the meaning of intelligence. So, moving to the next slide. So, why humans are considered to be intelligent species? It's because what all you said in the chat section, because they have these abilities. They can do logical reasoning, learning constantly through life's experience, understanding ability, problem-solving skills, decision-making skills, critical thinking, and so on. Definitely. So this all makes, humans intelligent. So now coming to what is artificial intelligence. So let's delve deep into understanding what is artificial intelligence. So if you see the term artificial intelligence, in short, we call it AI. So there are two terms here, artificial and intelligence. Artificial means something that is not natural, something which is man-made or created by man. And intelligence, as we discussed in the previous slides, is the ability to interpret, recognize, make predictions, and so on, right? All the human traits, what we discussed in the previous slides. Therefore, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to mimic human traits, that is, make decisions, predict the future, learn, and improve on its own. So, when any machine possesses the ability to learn from experience without explicit programming, which means that it doesn't require any other intervention or manual effort, but perform doing tasks by itself in order to perform cognitive functions that we normally associate with humans, is said to have artificial intelligence. So this AI is much beyond the basic physical systems or the cyber physical systems we see today, like robotics, automation, sensors. AI is beyond all these domains. It is a level higher. It has a broader reach. AI is integrating, or when it gets integrated with other technologies, we see more satisfying experience, or you can say more immersive experience out of all that. So since AI is an emerging and an evolving technology, a lot of research and development is going on in this field. Researchers, scientists, engineers are working hand in hand to enable our machines with the 5 human senses of sight, smell, hear, taste, and feel, so that machines are able to perform all those tasks in addition to what AI machines are doing today. So very soon, you will be able to get that aroma, or feel the pizza bread before ordering one for yourself. So that is how the research is taking place, and lots of advancements are happening in this field. Now, when we talk about artificial intelligence, there are 3 terms which very often come in front of us. So if you see on your screen, those terms are artificial intelligence, machine learning, and you have deep learning. So what does this mean? What is the difference between the 3? So when we talk about artificial intelligence, it is nothing but an umbrella term which actually talks about all those machines or devices that mimics human intelligence. All right. So basically, when we talk about human intelligence, all those cognitive traits, basically, which are human, when a machine is able to do that, imitate that, or mimic that, or do those kind of tasks for us, we say that the machine is an artificially intelligent one. Coming to machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that helps make a machine intelligent by training the machine with data. So here, machine learns with experience. The data with which it has been trained, and more data which is fed into it when people are using it, the machine is becoming intelligent, smarter by the day. So now coming to deep learning is again a subset of machine learning, and this model works on huge data sets. Nowadays, we keep hearing a terminology, big data. So they are huge data sets. So when we have huge data sets, normally these deep learning algorithms are used. Its architecture is based on the human brain. They are also called neural networks, which learn from vast amount of data, which is fed into it, and they are more efficient, more advanced, and more, efficient in processing. So this is when do we use deep learning algorithms? When we have humongous data sets, both in dimension and in size. When we have huge amount of data sets, we go for deep learning algorithms. So now let us see the AI in points. So when any machine is able to mimic human intelligence, it means that it can start solving real world problems. When it is able to improve on its own from its past experience, in the same way we humans learn from our failures and eventually become better by the day. Likewise, when machines are able to predict and make decisions on its own, we say that the machine has become an artificially intelligent one, or it has gained some intelligence. So now one question comes up: how does it all happen? So for that, it happens just the way we humans learn. Just the way we humans learn with experience and become better by the day, same is the case with artificial intelligent machines. A machine which needs to work intelligently is fed with data. Lots and lots of data. That is why we say data is the new gold today. Data is the fuel which basically drives artificial intelligence. It's because of this reason that this data is fed into the AI models, and models understand this data. Model processes this data. Model finds a pattern, a relationship in that data, and then it develops its understanding around that data. It develops the algorithm around that understanding, which it gets after processing that data. So now what happens when finally, this machine builds an algorithm around this data, which has been fed into it, machine starts to gain intelligence. Machine, because now understands what is the relationship, and it is able to then predict future outcomes. So that's how, the machine learns continuously later on after training, and from its own experience, the data which is now fed into the machine, and that's how the machine is set to gain intelligence. So whenever we instruct machine that it has given a wrong output, that also it records. It learns from it and ensures that the same does not happen again. So this is how machine gains intelligence. So let us see here the applications, we basically interact with in our day-to-day life. They all have the AI models working behind them. So if you see Swiggy, YouTube, Flipkart, Amazon, Lenskart.com, Arogya Setu, Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, Alexa, Facebook, and so on, your Google Map, they all use AI models at the back end that provides us a satisfying customized treatment by using our data, which we provide while working with these or while using these applications. So that data is basically collected, and that is analyzed. On the basis of that, recommendations are given to us to watch maybe similar kind of movies we have been watching over a period of time, or the kind of music we have been listening. So it will basically get to know our choices, our likes. On the basis of that, it will suggest you more of the movies and music. YouTube videos, if you watch it, the moment you start looking for, say, videos on artificial intelligence, more of the artificial intelligence videos will be suggested to you. So how is this all happening? Because we are there for some time. Our being there on the platform, that is also data which these models collect. What we are looking for, that also what we are, going and we are clicking on, all this acts as data. And it is all getting analyzed by the AI models. And basically, we are getting the recommendations. So when we talk about, say, Google Assistant, when we talk about Alexa, they are able to understand our natural language. Just how you would ask someone at your home to do something for you. Maybe you would ask someone, tell the time. So how the person is able to understand and give you the correct time. Likewise, if you see Alexa, when you ask Alexa, what is the time, Alexa? Alexa will tell you the time. So how this machine is able to understand the human language. So that is also working with one of the domains of artificial intelligence called NLP. So when we talk about Google Maps, even Google Maps, if you see, when we start our travel, we always check how much time it would take us to reach the destination. If you see, it is making predictions for us. It is telling us beforehand that, okay, this much of time it will require to reach your destination. So accordingly, you can plan your travel, right? So that you reach on time. So how this prediction, just like a human, like how somebody would have said, oh, right now traffic would be too much on the way. You must start half an hour early. So same way, if you see, Google Map is basically suggesting you, how much time it would take to reach your destination so that you can plan much in advance. And it is doing it by considering all the other factors, like how much traffic on the way, what would be the shortest route you would be taking. Everything is being analyzed on the basis of that. It is all getting suggested to us. Now, very important is the use of AI in this pandemic. If you see in the development of the vaccine, so as normally it takes a lot of time to develop vaccines, almost a decade or so, it has been because of AI that research and development of the COVID vaccine has been so fast. And almost all of us have got our shots also. So that is, the capability of artificial intelligence. So that was a brief introduction on artificial intelligence. And now we move to the second part, or the second agenda, right, of our workshop today. So here we will be knowing more about this program, AI for All, for which you all have registered and you all are here with me. So before I, tell anything about this particular program, I have a video for all of you to watch so that you get greater insights into this AI for All program. And this program, AI for All, was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, on July 29th, 2021. So basically, as an inclusive approach to demystify and democratize artificial intelligence for masses at large. So let's see this particular video, and it will help you understand what this program is all about, what this program is basically targeting, what is the objective of this program, which you all are going to take today. So I'll just run this. Is the sound available? Yeah, the sound is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Just a minute. I think, just a minute, I will just again share, because I think my system, I stopped in between, so it stopped. Just give me 1 second.
artificial intelligence is the fuel for the new world. India's AI strategy is built on the philosophy of AI for all. It identifies AI to gain inclusive growth and develop population-scale solutions for societal needs. National Education Policy released in 2020 by Ministry of Education, Government of India, further reaffirms the importance of AI skills for making India truly AI ready. To accelerate the pace of digital readiness and help build a digital-first mindset in all the citizens, Ministry of Education, Central Board of Secondary Education and Intel India bring to you AI for All. This is a self-learning online program designed to raise public awareness about AI and demystify it for people from all walks of life. A student, a stay-at-home parent, a professional in any field, or a senior citizen. The program can be completed in 4 hours, is available in 11 Indian languages and can be accessed by visually impaired. Register for AI for All and help make India AI ready.
Yeah, just a minute. Again, for some reason, the PPT has stopped. Just teachers, my apologies. I will just reshare this. Right. So over here, AI for All overview. So Intel with CBSE launched the initiative with the purpose of creating a basic understanding of artificial intelligence for everyone in India. So this program, in fact, is an international program. In India, it has been given the name AI for All, and I will tell you what is the reason behind it. And in abroad, the same program, which has been curated by Intel, is called Intel's AI for Citizens program. So here it is called AI for All. The same program in rest of the world, it is called Intel's AI for Citizens program. So this is an international program which you will be taking. Reason for giving it a name AI for All is because it is India's national strategy on artificial intelligence to make everybody AI ready. See, AI has to be inclusive. It has to, take everyone into its ambit so that everybody becomes AI ready for the future. So that's the reason behind it. So initiative is for all, and it aims to make general public aware of the AI applications they interact with and the thought process behind these technologies, basically to democratize artificial intelligence for everyone. So over here, this is India's AI national strategy. So India's own national strategy for AI by Niti Aayog is built on the philosophy of AI for all. The approach is to leverage technologies towards inclusive growth, develop population-scale AI solutions for societal needs, and leverage India's unique position to be a global leader for inclusive technologies. Further acknowledging the importance of AI, the NEP 2020 has also emphasized on preparing students for an AI-driven economy, making education more experiential and future-oriented, building crucial skills such as data analysis, crucial computational thinking, and so on. So new technologies involving artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., will not just change what students learn in the classroom, but how they learn. So that is why this will bring a paradigm shift in the way we teach, how the teaching learning process happens. So a lot of work is right now going on in CBSE to integrate AI with subject pedagogies. So now let's understand about this program. This is a self-paced content with inbuilt questionnaires. It can be completed in about 2 to 4 hours, but we have seen teachers have been able to complete in an hour's time. So easily you all will be able to do now. Each section includes images, interactive activities with a short and easy quiz. So whatever you read in the content, you will get it in the form of a quiz. So you can just, take those quizzes. So they all will be marked for, which will help you to complete your course. And successful completion of each section gives the user a downloadable badge and certificates. Content is compatible with various talkback applications to make it completely accessible to people who are visually impaired. The program is available in 11 Indian languages. So now about the program, we have 2 modules in this. One is AI Aware and AI Appreciate. So under AI Aware, you will be knowing about AI. So what I told you in a brief, you will be understanding more, in depth when you take this course, AI Aware, and you get to know what it can do. You become aware of the present day applications of AI. You debunk some of the common misconceptions around AI, that will AI take our jobs? Will AI rule us in times to come? So all those misconceptions also will be cleared. Coming to AI Appreciate, here you'll understand the key domains of artificial intelligence. As I talked about NLP, natural language processing. Likewise, we have CV, computer vision, and we have data science, also called statistical data. So you will also know about the 3 domains of artificial intelligence, and you need not have any technical knowledge for this. You can easily understand by taking these 2 modules. Impact of AI across industries, and getting started with a personal plan to explore AI. Your badges and certificates would look like this, as I have also taken this course because now my school is AI ready, as we completed this with the entire school fraternity. So once you do it with your schools, you will be also, all your teachers, students, everybody who takes this course will be awarded these certificates, and the school will be given the plaque, the AI Ready School recognition letter, and also the certificate. So the plaque picture I had already shown you. We are recently accorded the AI Ready School title. So now what I need to do in my school about AI for all. So I will tell you one easy way how we, completed this challenge, or how we completed this objective of making our school AI ready. So for that, what we did was, like right now, I'm giving training to all of you. The principals of the school can basically nominate one teacher, one computer teacher, who can make all the teachers to complete this self-learning module, which in a few minutes from now, I will be starting with all of you. So this can be first taken by all the teachers of the school. So now we have the Zoom platform in our school. So we can easily make teachers to complete these 2 self-learning modules. Once they complete, what the teacher who is in charge can do is, can make a Google Drive and share the link with all the teachers and ask them to upload their certificates, both the certificates, the Aware and the Appreciate. Appreciate is actually the certificate which marks the end of your self-learning course. So let all of them save their or upload their certificates in the Google Drive. So that takes care of all the teacher's certificate, because when you will be sending this information to Intel, Intel will be checking whether you have met the objective or not, whether all teachers, because what we have to do here, make 100% teachers to take this course. Then once the teachers are done, likewise the principal and the vice principal also will have to take this course. Once it's all done with teachers, principals and vice principals, then we will be targeting the children. So we did in our school from class 4th to class 12th. So class 4th, again, here what happened, we made all the computer teachers to basically in their sections to make students to complete this self-learning modules. So we made them do in an online mode. So children, they are very computer savvy these days, and pandemic has actually made them very computer savvy. So they all took it so interestingly, they took it so enthusiastically. They all started completing their courses, and they started getting their certificates. So once the students gets their certificates, so teachers can collect the class teachers now. Let us now give the responsibility to the class teachers also. So class teachers' responsibility would be to collect all the certificates of the students. So all the certificates of the students, let her collect in one Google Drive, and later on, the nodal person who is in charge of the entire thing, who has been nominated by the principal, can make a Google Drive and share the link and tell all the class teachers grade-wise, section-wise, in each grade section-wise, to upload their folders of certificates. So that takes care of grade-wise, in that grades, all the sections in one place. So all the certificates will get saved at one place. So that becomes easy to basically count that, these many children are there in my school, these many certificates I have collected. So you can take help of other computer teachers also, if definitely, because it is not one person's job. You will have to bring in more people with you to at least do the counting and just tallying whether you have met those numbers or not. That way. So that way we did in our school. And then we took it forward to the administrative staff. So the people in the accounting department, people in the front office, they took this course, this self-learning modules, and it's very easy for people, to take this, because with your own pace, you can go through it. After they completed, we shared the Google Drive link with them also, asked them to, upload their certificates over there. You can also make use of the Google form. If Google Drive, it's not very convenient to everybody, they can make use of the Google form. You can just have a Google form and you can have those options, those settings done, wherein they can upload their certificates. That also can be done. So this is how we achieved in our school. If you are running on an offline mode, teachers, computer teachers can make some good students to complete the module, then ask them to help their peers to complete the module. That way, easily in the school itself, children in the computer lab will be able to finish this module. They can take it later on also, maybe from home also they can do. Once done, they can just pass or send the certificates to the respective class teacher. So this is just a plan. All teachers to complete the program, group of technology-friendly students selected from each of classes from 4th to 12th. Selected students complete the program. Class teacher with select student support, whoever were selected by the teacher, can make the entire class to complete the self-learning module. So now I've given you the path. This way you can plan stage-wise, but be quick in doing it, because now we're just catching up with this. So more number of schools, better it is. And then you can take it to the community also. We have Grandparents' Day. We have, so many events in our school. So we can take this forward with them also. They also will be very excited to do it. So schools may organize Grandparents' Day to celebrate AI for all community, of their school. So like that. So now we will now in just few seconds, we will start with the registration process. And it's a very simple process. Here, you need not remember any username, password. You just need to have your smartphone. You need to have your mobile number. With the mobile number, you will be basically registering. So I will just tell you the process, and that's all. And once your school is complete, 100% teachers have completed the modules. Administrative staff has completed the module. Your all children from 4th to 12th have completed the modules. Once they're done, I will be sending, you can connect with me. Tomorrow itself, I will be sharing the individual school action plan Google form. You can fill it in that. And that way I can be in touch with these teachers, these coordinators or nodal person who will be looking after this process. So once done, once you complete all this, say in 10 days or 15 days, how much time, but as I said, do it fast. So once you are done with this, I will be letting you know about the format. The letter has to be sent in the school's letterhead, signed by principal, the school seal, to Intel, along with the link of the Google Drive, because they would be checking. They would be just, tallying it with what numbers you have shown and how many certificates are there in the Google Drive. So make sure how, you have all those certificates, and the school has to complete with all the students, all 100% teachers and administrative staff. So just after completing it, I will be sending you the format of the letter. It has to be sent to Intel, and Intel will further process it and will be sending your school or making your school AI ready school. And definitely, because this is very much, you're passing on, or you are getting that awareness about artificial intelligence. So that is there. So that's all in this. And now let us start with registration process. For that case, I will just share my window. Just a minute. So Nandita ma'am, are you there? If you can just share the, yeah, I will just share the link. So teachers, you can just click on this link, and then I will tell you to kind of, yeah, ma'am has also shared, I'm also sharing. So I have also opened beforehand, and I will just share my screen now. Just a minute. Yes. So teachers, can you all see my window? Can you all see? Yes. So when you click on it, when you click on this link, thank you, ma'am, thank you. So when you click on this link, over here, you have a demo video also. You can watch that, okay? And registration process is very simple. You need to just write your name. So you have to just provide your name here, the name which you want to come on your certificate. So teachers, you can start doing it with me, and we'll easily complete it in an hour's time. You will yourself see. So just write your name, write your mobile number, your state. So just click on this arrow and you select your state, language which you would prefer. Okay. So English, and then if you see 11 different languages are there, right? So you will select your preferred language, and date of birth. So click on this icon and click on this date. So scroll to your year of date, birth year, sorry. So you just scroll, say, for example, it is, say, 85. So click on this, then your month, say, for example, it is April, and what birthday is on, say, 1st April or 2nd April. So select that. So it would come here. So just put in your date of birth, and then the gender has to be selected here. And then do not change the referral code. Let it be as it is. Do not delete it. Let it be as it is. NHES 3. And then check mark on this, I'm not a robot, this checkbox. You just check it and say send verification code. So when you click on send verification code, the number which you have written here, you will be receiving the OTP. So all of you will get an OTP. Now you just need to type in the OTP. So you just type in the OTP. So once you type the OTP, your program will open. You will see the window like this. Can you see? Welcome to AI for all. Or maybe it will show accessibility options like this. Yes? Hope you all are able to register yourselves. Great, Gayatri ma'am. Gayatri ma'am has registered herself. Likewise, everybody can do. Great. So we all teachers are very smart, we know. Okay, great. So all teachers have done. They all are doing great. Now, once you get the OTP, enter, and then you will land in your lessons. You will land in this particular page. You all can see my page here. So Now you can go ahead, start reading, right? You start reading. The AI for All program can be accessed as recorded audio and in standard, what is it? Standard file format for Braille. This is for visually impaired people. So you can just go through this. Okay, now back to course. For this, you just say back to course. Okay, because we are not going for audio version right now. We are not going for Braille version. We are going to start going through the course. Click on back to course. So now if you see, this is lesson 1 of 13 lessons. Okay, so now this comprises of all your AI aware and AI appreciate modules. So you can just start reading. Now teachers, be very careful when you read. So just keep reading. AI for All is a self-learning program. You know, this talks about the first page talks about your AI for All program. So just read it. Now, whenever it is saying that click on the images to know more, like this, so click on it. Okay, so it has some information. Read that. Don't miss on any click, because otherwise that will not mark your completion. Okay, so just go down. It has plus symbol. Click on the plus to expand. So click on plus. So wherever they're asking you to do something, keep doing it. So that's why don't be in a hurry to finish. Now you can just, if you've got this, you can remove your earphones and you can start. And I would suggest teachers take on your laptops. You will be able to see the interface in a better way than on a smartphone. So all of you can, take this course in your laptops. So quickly you can get your laptops. And now if you want to, because you have registered maybe through the smartphone, you can do one thing. You can again log in. Now you have to press the login button. So I'm just showing you this. So I'll go to my next previous window. So if, say, for example, you are coming back, maybe you want to do this course on your laptop. So now you have to open it here. So what you will do, you open with the same link, which Nandita ma'am and I'm sharing with you. Click on it on your browser and then say login. Now you have to say login. When you say login, it is asking you for your mobile number, the registered mobile number, which you have just now registered. And then you say, I am not a robot, and it will give you a verification code. The OTP will be received. Same way how you have entered the OTP, you again enter, and you will land in the same course of yours. So no hassle to remember the password, username, all those things. It's pretty simple. You remember your mobile phone number, just need to put that. You'll get an OTP. OTP has to be fed, and that way you can take your course. Yes, so that's how it is. And some places, if I see, then you are getting a question. Have you used AI before? Say yes. Submit. It says correct. So this all will mark you for the completion of the module. So just keep scrolling down, There is a video also. You watch this video. So it explains you about artificial intelligence. And I will tell you, teachers, I am an AI teacher. Please, this is important for all teachers, not only for AI or computer teachers. This is for all subject teachers. We have to be AI ready. That is why the program name is AI for All. And CBSE is coming with many things. They are integrating AI with subject pedagogies. They are integrating with English, Hindi, math, science, social science. So very soon you will see the curriculum getting updated, because this AI component will be put into these lesson plans, and the work is going on. So now let's go ahead here. So once you do this, it says, now let's start with AI aware. Click on the button to start. So you take this. Do you think AI applications are around you? Yes, they are. I just told you there are so many applications around us. Say AI aware. So now you start reading about AI aware. So some things you will be able to map with me. What I explained to you briefly about artificial intelligence, and very clear information will come to you through the self-learning module. So let's go down. Now see over here, let's get to know about human intelligence. So teachers, I'm again telling you, do not miss on clicking all this, okay? 1, see, it gives you some information. 2, you have to keep reading it. Otherwise, you will not see 100% on your left panel. You have to keep reading it, keep reading and keep going ahead. And on the basis of what you read, the content, you will see small questions, quizzes like that, just to make things exciting for you. So now if you see here, let's come down. One more thing I would like to tell you. See, some places you will find arrows on the right sides over here. If you see, I'm pointing with my mouse, right click on this. I mean, if you just click on it, it moves to the next slide. So don't miss on this. Okay. When you are reading it, when you are going through it, go through it slowly. Do not miss clicking on any required option. Otherwise, it will say 80% complete, 90% complete, and you have reached, but you will not be able to download your certificate. So now I'll be quiet. If any teacher is facing any problem, can write in the chat section, and I'm here to assist her. Nandita ma'am is also here. Yes, ma'am, you can take this. Gauri ma'am, what is the problem you are facing? Yes, it is a self-paced course. So teachers who all have got into their courses can remove their earphones, because I'll be talking, you'll be getting, disturbed. You take that course in another half an hour, 45 minutes time. I'm here only. I'm here till 7:30. So we have a long, 1 hour. Verification, no OTP. Gauri ma'am, it will come. Just wait. Right now, so many people are accessing the server. Delay could be because of that, or maybe some internet issue. If at all it doesn't happen, we will also be sharing the WhatsApp link. You can join the WhatsApp group, and I will assist you if at all you've not been able to get one. But see, others are able to get. You will also be able to get. So can we leave and join after we complete? Absolutely. You can just, remove your earphone and you be there and you complete your course, ma'am. That would be better actually. And let me know who is the first to get the certificate. Okay. Can you please explain from the beginning? So, ma'am, it's very simple. Yeah. So teachers who all have got into their courses, remove your earphones and concentrate on the course. That makes sense. That means ethically we are completing the course and not just going through everything and clicking. Lastly, we are getting a certificate. As teachers, we must not do that. We must follow the right path, right? So that's all. So, right, I will tell you the entire process again. Rathiga, ma'am or sir, you will be receiving the OTP. Just wait. If it doesn't happen, you just wait for a short while. It will come to you. If it doesn't happen, do it after some time. You are going to receive the OTP. Yes, I'm just sharing the link again. And teachers, don't leave. Before you leave, I will be sharing, before we end this program today, I will be sharing the attendance cum feedback form. So you need to just fill in that. Okay, so I'll just quickly tell you the process again. So once you click on this link, you would be basically landing on the home page of AI for All self-learning course. So let me just open my window and show you. Yes. Yes. I received OTP. Where to enter this? Yes. So once you receive the OTP, there will be a space provided for the OTP. You enter your OTP in that. There will be a text box, and then it will write there that go to your course. It would be great if you take through the laptop. I'm saying, see, I'm right now showing you through the laptop only, so I can see the entire interface. The smartphone display becomes very small, so you have to keep, scrolling up and down, left and right. So, ma'am, here, one ma'am was asking me how to go about. So you just have to write your full name, the name which you want to basically have on your certificate, your full name. Write your mobile number. Select your state by clicking on that arrow which has been given there. The language. There are 11 languages. The preferred language you would like to do the course, you can select that. So you can select one of the languages and then go to, putting your date of birth. For that, click on this icon. Go to March over here. First, go to the your birth year. Then your, what do you say? So birth year, can you just scroll up? You will see, select your birth year and select the month, okay, and the day, like that. So it will come over here, it will get displayed in the date of birth. Then select the gender and don't change the referral code, let it be as it is. Tick mark this checkbox, I'm not a robot. Click on it and say send verification code. So click on this, I'm not a robot. Tick mark this and say send verification code. So on your registered mobile number, the mobile number which you have given here, you will see one OTP you will be receiving. Take that OTP and in the next window after this, it will ask you enter OTP, enter the OTP and go to your course. That's all. So you will come to your course. So this way, I'll show you the first window. It would, show like this, welcome to AI for all. Then you can start your course easily.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Actually, I'm still driving, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
I'll try to reach out time, ma'am. Before you finish up the session, I will be joining.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Please carry on, ma'am. Please carry on.
Okay. Sir.
All the best. All the best, teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Any teachers still facing any problem? Any teachers still facing any problem? Registration, you will get that OTP, ma'am. Once you get the OTP, type in the OTP in the text box and go to your lessons like that one. A link will be there. Just click on it. So you will land on your self-learning module course. Great, Trinity, ma'am. Great. OTP not received. You will receive it. See, other teachers have also received, ma'am. Just retain this link with yourself. If at all you're not able to receive this particular OTP, just wait for some time. You'll surely receive it. And you can just start the AI Aware after registration. So once you register, you can just start. So maybe you would be seeing this accessibility option page. So you can just go, you say back to course, or you can just say welcome to AI from the left panel. So here, Radhika ma'am, once you are into your self-learning module, are you seeing a page like this, which I'm sharing on the screen? Are you able to see something like welcome to AI for all? Because it will automatically take you there. Yeah, that's all, ma'am. So just keep reading. You just say welcome to AI. Now, once you are in your course, you can just read this. AI for all is a self-learning course, a program designed for people from all walks of life. So just give a reading to this, but keep giving a reading. Why? Because it is asking you to do certain things here. Click on the image to know more. So click on the image. If you don't do all this, you'll not be completing your module and your certificate will not get generated. So that is why you have to be careful about this. Whatever it has been asked, it's asking for, click on the plus to expand. So this is for you to know more about all these aspects. So just give a reading to all this, and some quizzes are there, some questions are there. On the basis of what you have read on top, you will have to give the responses. You say submit, and likewise. So just go down and you can say AI aware. So you can start then, once you complete this first page, click on this AI aware. All right, ma'am, click on this AI aware. So your AI aware module will start. See, AI aware. So start like that, only reading, scrolling down. It's very simple. Click on this one. Let's get to know about human intelligence. So what I told you, you will see some of the things mentioned here as well. So click on this 1, 2, 3, that way, ma'am. And machines mimic dash intelligence, human intelligence, right? Submit. So it says correct. Scroll down. Just you have to keep scrolling down slowly, slowly. That's all. Yes, yeah, the link has been shared again, ma'am. You can just click on this link, register yourself, or if you have registered, just click on login, enter your mobile number, the OTP will be received, and you can just enter and get in. Hema ma'am, you will receive the OTP in some time. Do not worry, as lot many people are taking the course at this time. Maybe there's high traffic. There are, sometimes because of this internet, also you might not be receiving. Just take some time, ma'am. You retain this link which we are giving to you, and you can later on also just do. Very soon we will be sharing the WhatsApp group link. You please join in that WhatsApp link. I will assist you in completing the modules. You have to answer the questions there only, ma'am. If you just scroll down, you'll be able to answer the questions. See, when you read the content, some small questions will keep coming. So these are the, say, for example, machines mimic dash intelligence. So you have 3 options here. So humans intelligence, animals intelligence, or other machines intelligence. We know humans intelligence, right? So click on that option, that button, and it will get assessed. It will say correct. Machines are learning from the best, us humans. You want to take again, you click on it. You can take that quiz again. It's okay, Nandita ma'am. I will do, no worries. I'll share the attendance link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome, ma'am, and all the best to all the participants. You must, I think AI aware should not take more than like 10 minutes or something. So all of you are requested to complete the AI aware module right away.
Yes.
And those who have time, they can go ahead and do the AI appreciate also. Otherwise, you can always come back. It is a self-paced program. So every time you want to come back to the program, just use the same link and log in again. Then you will not have to register, just log in and you can come back to wherever you left. You can start the program.
Ma'am, in the last session, teachers could complete even the AI appreciate.
Yeah.
So
okay. Wonderful.
Yes, I'm confident everybody would do in this 1 hour's time.
Yeah, sure. I'm sure. I think some of them have already completed AI aware and they've moved to AI appreciate.
Yes.
So it might another 30 minutes or 40 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, carry on.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Everyone. Thank you.
Anupama ma'am, you'll get the OTP. Just, retain this link. You can try after some time also. After registering, same process, ma'am. After registering, you must have received the OTP. Shakila ma'am, you must have received the OTP. OTP you need to just put and you say go to lessons. Okay. So once you do that, once you receive the OTP, you put the OTP, there will be an option, go to your lesson, and that's all. You have to, your lesson is there. Then if you see welcome to AI for all, and then start your self-learning module. So once you get this, you can remove your earphone because I'm talking, it will become, it will be disturbance. So keep it aside and you complete this module. So wherever questions are, it's very simple. We are all used to doing this because of the pandemic, right? So take. So teachers who are not getting the OTP, just have patience. You will receive in some time. It could be because of high people, many people accessing the server at the same time. These courses are being run simultaneously in other places also. So that could be one reason, or maybe the internet connectivity. If there would have been any problem with the server, nobody would have got the OTP. So even you will get, ma'am. So just have patience for some time. Yes, I understand, ma'am. Just wait. You will definitely receive the OTP. Just be sure that you are entering the correct mobile number. Otherwise, the OTP will go somewhere else. Just be careful while entering the mobile number. And very soon, we will be sharing the WhatsApp link. You can join that. And whoever has problem, I will be helping to, complete that. AI for all program. So ma'am, just come down. See, if you come down, have you taken everything? All the questions you have taken, whatever they're asking you to do, you have read, right? So for that, once you come down, once you've taken, see AI aware button is there. Yeah, Beena ma'am. Yeah, just a minute. Which one teacher asked me? Yeah, Priya ma'am. Can you see the AI aware button here? I'm sharing my screen. So just you have to click this. It will take you to the AI aware program. That page it will take you to. So now you keep scrolling down. So keep scrolling. Scrolling will mark you the the end. You'll be able to download your badges and certificate for the AI aware. Oh, great. You received, Vandana ma'am received her certificate. Which one, ma'am? Is this AI aware or AI appreciate? Very nice, Lavanya ma'am. Please go ahead, take the appreciate also. There at the last, there are some 10 questions which they are asking, right? On the basis of what you have understood, you give the responses. And after that only you will be able to download the badge and the certificate. Okay, I'm sending the link again. Thank you, Mini ma'am. Acha. Oh, I had initially sent to Mini ma'am. Okay. Oh, congratulations, Priya ma'am. Please take the AI appreciate also. As I said, for the OTP, do not worry. Could be some reason because of internet or something. Just have patience. You can try after some time also. As I said, even ma'am is sharing the WhatsApp link details. Just join the WhatsApp group. You can message me there itself that OTP not received. And as I said, that's a very small issue. You will be receiving one if you have entered your correct mobile number. Or if you are in such a hurry, what you can do, you can use someone else's mobile number, maybe your spouse or maybe your children. You can just put in that and you write your name, that mobile number you can use. See, maybe in that mobile number you receive the OTP. Just check once. Okay, Kalpana ma'am. So it is showing. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Oh, very nice. You scored 90% in AI aware. Great, Anita ma'am. So as I'm saying, teachers, CBSE is, doing a lot as of now. They are integrating AI with other core subjects. Very soon, you'll see a lot of things happening, and trainings would happen for teachers. So that's why it's very important for all teachers, irrespective of any field or any stream, to pick up on the AI skills. Oh, 100%. Surya, ma'am, great. No, let's see who gets the AI appreciate. But I'm not able to move to the challenge. You can take the challenge. Oh, great. You, okay, your name is the SS. Okay, I can't see your name. Very nice. One teacher has received both the certificates. Great. That's very nice to know. So you can take, you'll go ahead. I'll just tell you, see, if AI aware challenge. So this was, you can take again this test. So what is AI? A computer program that executes a task or cognitive ability of machines to think. So depending on what you have understood, and and definitely this is the right answer. So you get the right answer. Pallavi ma'am, great. You can go ahead and take the appreciate. You can remove the earphones. Oh, that's very nice. So great. So if you are done, then your task is over. Take it in your school now, as I have told you how to go about it. Who all have completed? I will just share the attendance Google form also. So here is the attendance come feedback form. So you can just fill in your, the feedback. This will also take care of your attendance. Great, Premlata ma'am. And so with one ma'am, it was some problem. She was not able to move to the next one. So you just have to keep doing next. When you take all the 10 questions, just scroll down. You will be able to, you will be able to move to the next one. So we'll just see AI being helpful to every. Yes. Okay, this is yes. Now I'll go to next. Say, for example, I'm just taking this by myself also. Okay. Don't see my answers, okay? Okay, so see here, if I've taken your score is 100 like this. Now, congratulations, you are AI aware. Now, just click on that link. Congratulations, you are AI aware. So it comes here, it takes you to the next page. Then just come down, click on the card, click on this card. It tells you you have successfully completed AI aware. Time to embark upon the second part of the journey, that is AI appreciate. So then great work with AI aware. You are now entitled to download or the AI aware badge. You will be receiving the badge after you click on the button below. Don't forget to collect your badge. So you can just, click and you will be able to download. See, download badge. Then you can easily download this certificate. And any number of times, if you see, I had shown you in the PPT also, and say you have forgotten where you saved this, you can again get to your self-learning module. You can download your certificate all over again, as it will be there. Now you come to click here to begin with AI Appreciate. So just click on AI Appreciate. Fiva ma'am, congratulations. Great. So I think all teachers today are able to do. Some of them, because of the OTP not getting received, maybe they are facing a problem. But as I said, have patience, ma'am. After some time, you just try again. Surely you will receive the OTP. Make sure you have put the right mobile number. Okay. Gauri ma'am, congratulations. You're done with both the certificates. Not able to fill the questions, ma'am, I would suggest bring a laptop. Do it through a laptop. That is more convenient. Okay. But Ananya ma'am, have you also received? Okay, only one. So ma'am, still time is there. Go ahead for your AI Appreciate. Remove your earphones and just take it in 15 minutes time. You'll be able to quickly read through and respond to the questions asked. Great. Ek minute, I just missed this, just a minute. So ma'am, we will start getting our badges and certificates from AI Aware. Yes, yes, I showed you, na ma'am. Once you complete that challenge of 10 questions, you know, you will be able to, you need to get 70% in that. Say if for some reason you have not been able to correct, you can again retake that challenge. So once you take the challenge again, definitely you need to score above, I think 70%. And those are easy questions you'll be able to figure out. And once it's done, you will be able to download your certificates. I just showed you, ma'am. See over here. So congratulations, you are AI aware. So now click on this card. So you click on this card. Just read this. Scroll down. See, this is my my badge. Badge you want to download? Just scroll down. It is written download badge. Suchitra ma'am, congratulations. Great. So now teachers take it very enthusiastically, with great enthusiasm in your school, with your children. Children will love to do this because in the first place, this is an international program, and Intel is coming with more programs like these for children. So, and we can, show them the path. We can, once we understand all this, definitely we can guide them the correct way. So take it in your school. As I said, how in DPS Bangalore East, what we did, computer teachers were assigned this task of making students to complete the self-learning modules. So 4th and 5th standard children only needed some assistance because they are small, we understand. But if you see, the content is not difficult. So, but teachers could very easily make them to understand, make them to complete in the classes. We have 45 minutes, but those were extended to a little more time. And children, once got the knack of it, they could easily go about completing it. And even parents will then come, and sometimes help the children. So that when we did in the online mode, if you are in the school, you can make them do in front of you. So only hand holding is required for 4th and 5th standard children. And 6th onwards, if you just pass on the link, they will be able to do. So this is the attendance cum feedback form. If you are done with the course, then you can enjoy your weekend. You can just fill up the feedback form, and a very happy weekend to all of you who all have done and would like to leave. Can fill up the attendance cum feedback form and can leave. And who all have not received the OTP, don't get disheartened. join the WhatsApp group. In some time, you'll surely receive the OTP. Just make sure you are putting the right number, right mobile number. Ma'am, also share the WhatsApp link, ma'am. So if some teachers are facing difficulty. Okay, Nimita, ma'am. Great. So you all have seen the plaque, right? AI Ready School plaque I showed in the presentation. So that plaque will be yours also. So this has to be a joint effort, all teachers coming together. So that's why I said share the responsibility, let computer teachers make the students to complete the self-learning modules, and class teachers collect the certificates from them. The in charge teacher will be sharing the Google form. You can just have all those those folders put onto that main Google drive, and because that drive will be sent to the Intel for evaluation purpose, and then they will be basically giving the award, giving this plaque to the school. So if any question is there. Okay, great, ma'am. Very nice. Ramesh sir, congratulations. Okay, Madhavi ma'am, thank you so much. Veena ma'am, thank you so much. So now this would have been in a hurry. So, but I will tell you, take out some time, go through the self-learning modules all over again. Retain this link. You can save it in your, WhatsApp or somewhere. You just send it to someone so that you are able to get that link again. Okay, Soumya ma'am, thank you. Great. Congratulations to all teachers who all have completed. Renu ma'am, thank you so much. Kindly help me finish this course. What happened, ma'am? Some other name is here, Vivo X70 Pro. Your name is not showing here. What exactly happened, ma'am? Where are you getting stuck somewhere? Ma'am, showing verification expired. Just try doing it again, ma'am. Go to, you have registered yourself. If you have registered yourself, Sujeshma ma'am, if you have registered yourself, so just go to login now. See the login button. You click on login. So when you click on login, you will get this window. Here you write your mobile number, say I'm not a robot, and send verification code. Then you get the verification code and you just put in the space provided. You will be sent there only where you have left the course. Great. I think most of you have completed the course. Now just take it to your children. They will be very, very excited about the entire thing. And we have to make, we have to make ourselves and make everybody sensitized, or you can say aware about artificial intelligence, the way we use it, all those things, all those aspects are very important. Sure, I'll share the link again, ma'am. Which link do you want, Ananya, ma'am? This AI for All program link? So, okay, fine. I'm sharing all the links here. So on top is the AI for All program link. And then in the bottom is the attendance cum feedback form. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ananya, ma'am. Oh, sure, we'll do that. We'll share in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, Veena ma'am, thank you so much. So you can enjoy your weekend. I'm here for another half an hour's time. So we'll make sure everybody gets through the course. Okay, Mary ma'am, congratulations. You could download both the certificates. One, ma'am, just go ahead. Go for the second one also, AI Appreciate, because AI Appreciate marks the completion of your self-learning modules. So if you want students to send you the AI Appreciate, that also is okay. That means they have completed AI Aware. So so many certificates will come to you. You can also tell students that you just send us the AI Appreciate certificate. So that I think will be easy for you all to handle. Okay, Maithili ma'am, great. Congratulations. So get the AI ready plaque for your school. Yes. Get the AI ready school plaque. Okay, I think Arvind sir has raised his hand. Ma'am, can you give him access? I think he wants to speak to me. Ma'am?
I think he's not there.
Oh, he's not there. Okay. If anyone wants to talk, you can raise your hand. Ma'am will give you access. You can use your microphone and talk to me. Congratulations, everybody. Great. Now, see, you are AI aware, right? You are AI aware. You are, in a way, that particular, AI understanding now you have in yourself. So now you have to take it forward. Great, Leena ma'am, congratulations. So Kanya ma'am, congratulations. So if all school teachers have joined, so that work is already accomplished. Whoever will be the teacher in charge will have to just collect these certificates from the teachers. So one part is already taken care of. Now what you have to do is you have to make the students to get these certificates. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Debjani ma'am. I myself, I'm trying to make trying to make you understand about artificial intelligence as simply as I can. And it is actually simple. Now you read the self-learning module, you go through that, more clarity will come. Okay, Priya ma'am, congratulations. So you can just fill up the form, feedback form. I'll just share again in the, I'll just share just a minute. So you can just fill and then you are good to go, ma'am. You can then enjoy your weekend. So for you teachers, we've made this program at this time, 5:30 to 7:30, because after day-long work and after coming back from school, this is the time we can, just do something productive. Yes, it's a great learning experience, no doubt, Navina ma'am. Lots of things are going to come your way. Just wait and watch. A lot of things are in the pipeline. Great. So I'll just one more time, I'll just show you the plaque if at all, you've missed on it. So see here, I'm just sharing my screen again. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the plaque. Intel Digital Readiness. So the school's name will be written like this, Delhi Public. are you all able to see the plaque? No, just a minute.
No,
just
ma'am.
share a link. No, I'll just share. Yeah, here it is. So it looks like this. This is me with my principal, Ms. Manila Carvalho, and my vice principal, Ms. Preeti Suta. And this is the plaque which we have received from Intel. So an AI-ready school, empowering lives with technology. So it will come from Intel. You will also be receiving the certificate and the recognition letter. So this you can get for your school. So that's how it is. And as I said, see, now teachers, Intel, keeps doing these festivals. So this was for the first time it had happened in last year, 2021. And in this, I had given my nomination because so much of work had been done in our school. So all those things and what were my, contribution to all this, everything was put in the poster. And then rounds of interviews were there, some judging rounds and all those things were there. And that's how only these 4 of us, and if you see here, 230 high quality entries from 20 countries around the world were received by Intel. And I mean, 4 of us could make it. And fortunately, I was one of them. So this is, and if you see, they give a big, huge award. So cash award, each teacher or faculty gets $5,000, right? So this is just for you all to get motivated. So this is what I've got. And that helps me, to work more in this particular field. And not only computer teachers or not only, AI teachers, even, as I said, they are now trying to integrate artificial intelligence with other subjects. So a lot of work is being done, as I said, and a lot of teachers are basically over there along with AI teachers to basically make the lesson plans. These lesson plans, AI integration lesson plans, you can find in the CBSE website itself. If you go to that CBSE website, you'll find one tab AI. In that, you will find integration. There you will be able to find all the integration manuals. So for class 6th to class 10th, the lesson plans have already been made. That how to include AI or how to integrate AI in the teaching learning process. So that's how it is. And these were some of the projects which was showcased in Delhi. So all the information is here. I can share this link. So okay, maybe I'll just share just a minute. So a lot of things keeps happening. That is why we all have to keep ourselves updated. Just give you that link. I think it is. This is AI. Yeah. Just show because we are here for some time, so I can just show you. Okay. Otherwise, I will share the link, I think. Yeah. Teachers, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see here, this is the CBSE website, right? So cbseacademic.nic.in/AI-HTML. I will just share the link also. So here, integration manual. So you have integration manual with Hindi, English, mathematics, science, and social science. And here you'll find all the projects which students have done. She is Anita Karwal. And it's all about curriculum on artificial intelligence. Everything is, there's one full tab on AI. So you all can just check this out. The what all have happened till now in AI. So you'll see a lot of stuff over here that way. Let's just share the link so that you all can watch it later also. This is the CBSE website link, which I've shared with you. You can just go to the AI tab and see. Great, Shubhangini ma'am, congratulations. Vimla ma'am, congratulations. So now you can make your school AI ready, right? So take this initiative, ma'am. You will be a teacher of a AI ready school. So it's a great feeling. Right. Yes, anybody wants to talk to me, if any issue is there, you can just raise your hand. Ma'am will give you the access so you can talk with me. Okay, I think everybody in today's session has been able to complete both the modules. Now, teachers, I would really, appreciate if you take it ahead with your family members also. Make your children do when they are free. Tell them to just get this awareness on artificial intelligence, because it's very difficult. It's very important to, get this awareness and basically temperament, or you can say that sensitization of artificial intelligence. It's very important nowadays and definitely in times to come. The better we are skilled, and it is said, a lot of today's learning will become obsolete in times to come. So now it is said that the Alvin Toffler has said the illiterate of the 21st century is not the one who cannot read or write, but is the one who cannot unlearn, relearn, and learn. So it's very, very important for us to relearn, unlearn some of our learnings, and get skilled. Anyone if one would like to talk, so you are free to do so. You can raise your hand. Ma'am will give you access if at all you are facing any difficulty. You can just check all this. As I said, you can join the WhatsApp group. You can fill up the feedback form and you can leave also and enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And congratulations. You completed the course. And tomorrow I will be sharing the individual school action plan Google form. Please fill it up. If teachers are here, you can, the computer teacher, whoever wants to nominate themselves for this, can just, go ahead, check with your principal and take this initiative in your school. Because only we can make the difference, no one else. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, Shanti ma'am, great. You received your OTP. I'm so glad. Ma'am was waiting since a long time. Oh, great. Congratulations, ma'am. So yes, how to take the OTP, you just need to fill in the OTP and you go to your course. The moment you go to your course, you will come to Welcome to AI for All. Yes, Shanti ma'am, can you see the screen? Okay, great teachers. Congratulations to each one of you. I hope you do great. And as I said, tomorrow I will be sending the Google form. I'm too, very excited about the entire thing. I'll be sharing the Google form with all of you. I mean, with the, the principals, because I've got the principal email IDs. So by tomorrow morning, I will be sharing. And you can just, go ahead, fill it up, and I will get your phone number. So in that way, we can connect. And once your school, now I have told you the process, once your school becomes 100%, it is covering all students, teachers, administrative staff, you are good to go. Only then a letter has to go to Intel. That's all. Process is pretty simple. So we are the early birds. We can, quickly get the AI ready certificate. So have that enthusiasm in yourselves and get your school's AI ready. Smita ma'am. Great, ma'am. So I'll share the, yeah, Shanti ma'am, I hope you are continuing now. You are taking your course. Don't leave without taking your course. Go ahead, ma'am. Finally, ma'am got her OTP. I understand, we have to, one of the teachers is not getting, it feels, oh my God, why? And then when others get, we start feeling, why am I not getting? What is wrong, right? Okay, I'll share the feedback form again, ma'am. So you have one link for WhatsApp. You can join that as well. You have this attendance come feedback form link. You can just give your valuable feedback. Okay, and that's it. Should we complete self-learning plan 2? Aha, why not, ma'am? Go ahead. That's simple only. You just complete, that talks about 3 domains of artificial intelligence. So more insights in AI. So you will understand, these applications much better. And if you see, this was there since a long time. We have only now started realizing, okay, Google, when it shows us suggestions, that is AI. Now we have started realizing when AI is in the picture, but these things were already incorporated. It's only because now these big companies like Intel, IBM, Microsoft, now Facebook, they all are bringing in their courses in the syllabus. So we get to read about it, we get to know about it, we then grow with all that. So great from these companies, they are collaborating with CBSE, and they have to collaborate with all boards. Only then there will be a change. So now we will be moving away from, developing those thermocol or chart paper projects, and we will be actually developing something which will have to do with AI, which will have to do with, tinkering and all those things. And it will be really great experience for children, and our concept of rote learning will actually, I feel, in times to come, will, go down, and more of the experiential learning style of teaching and learning will come into picture, which is actually need of the day, need of the hour. Yeah. Ma'am, please go ahead. Poonam ma'am, right? Poonam ma'am, I've completed feedback form and registered myself and received OTP. Yes, please go ahead, Poonam ma'am. Take the self-learning course. Sometimes it happens. There was too many of us, accessing the same server. Could be you did not receive the OTP. In some time, you will receive the OTP. Now teachers are receiving, you will also receive. Able to download the certificates? Stella ma'am, just check once if you have, taken all the quizzes, you have gone through all the content. Sometimes it is on the right. If you see, I'm just taking you to the aware module. Just a minute, I will show you. Here, some places, if you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to also open this, read it. Because anything, if you have not clicked, it will not tell, your complete completion. Come down, then take this particular MCQ over here, submit. And then if you see, some options are here also. If you see, it says, keep scrolling to know about artificial intelligence, but you see an arrow mark here. So just click on it. You need to click on the second one again, then scroll down. Stella ma'am, just go through your module again. Other teachers have been able to download. You also will be able to download. How to get certificate? Same way, ma'am. If you see over here, I will tell you. If we scroll down, once you are done with all the quizzes, all the content reading, everything, you come down. See, I'm scrolling down. Okay. So once you scroll down, you will be asked to take a challenge. So there will be some 10 questions. You better give all the 10 questions answers. And then it will say, congratulations, you have completed AI Aware and you are able to download the badges and the certificate. So just scroll down. You will be able to see your badges, ma'am. And see, these are some, auto tagging. So what is auto tagging? Is it AI or not AI? It is AI. So I'm putting it in AI. So all like this, you have to just YouTube recommendations. Does this have AI? Yes. They are also, powered by AI. So like this. Robot arm? No. Robotics, sensors. This is not AI. This is a technology in itself. We are now integrating AI with robots. Then we get humanoids. We get Sophia, Erica. So if you see over here. So virtual reality is not AI. So you have to also understand that what is AI, what is not AI. So that's why this self-learning module comes very handy. You can read it. So complete everything, whatever activities are given to you here, you need to complete this. Then you will go down and it will say that now you are ready to take the challenge. Ready for a challenge? Say, let's go. Then you will get 10 questions. Take those questions and you will see your certificate getting generated. I'm unable to download my AI Appreciate certificate. It's not getting downloaded. Abhishri, sir, are you able to download your batch? The AI Appreciate batch? That's all, Hema ma'am. You can just fill up the form, a feedback form, and you must have received your certificates, and your certificates have all the logos of Digital India, Government of India, CBSE, Intel. So that's a heavy one. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ramesh sir. Great. I mean, you all have done, you all will feel, good about it. Just take the course again, read it when you have the free time, get more insights from this course. As I said, this is not made by someone in India. This is an international course which the entire world is undergoing right now. And Intel brings it to us. Let us just understand the technology from the, technological giants like IBM, like Intel. Yeah, you can go ahead, ma'am. If you want to go through the next program, whatever is there, that also would take just some time. You can finish it off. Thank you, Maria, ma'am. Ma'am, and now if anybody is facing difficulty, you can raise your hand. We can give you the to unmute and you can talk to me. And still, if teachers are facing problem, please join the WhatsApp group. You can write, but don't be in a hurry, as I said, OTP will come, give some time. And the link also in the WhatsApp group will be shared. Yes, Hema ma'am, if you are done with it, you can leave and you can enjoy your weekend. I will not take much of your time. You can go and enjoy your cup of tea or coffee. How to fill the feedback form? Nothing, sir. You just need to click on that link. I'll share the link. Just a minute. Just click on the link. Simple information is asked. You can just give your feedback. Great, Mahalakshmi ma'am. You are AI ready now. See, teachers, all teachers are getting their certificates. So there's no problem with the server. A server, any problem would have been there. So nobody would have been able to receive the certificates. So you will also be able to, you complete your course. That's why, because right now when I'm talking, what is happening? That you might not be able to concentrate. So later on, take your course, entire course. I'm there in the WhatsApp. So if any difficulty, you can write to me and I'll look into it. Yes, Shri Devi ma'am, you can leave. Hope you have completed both your courses and completed the entire program. Oh yeah, you have written, yes, I have successfully completed. Okay, ma'am, you can leave. A very good evening to everybody. Okay, Vilma ma'am, congratulations. Gauri ma'am, congratulations. All teachers, once again, congratulations to everyone. Just take it forward, make, India AI ready. Thank you, Durga ma'am. It is showing generating batch. It will generate, ma'am. Maybe your internet must be slow. It will. Great, Mary ma'am. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Just make your school AI ready. Once you fill the Google form, and once you do that, you can connect with me, and then I can just pass you the format of the letter. Just the letter has just the, how many students, teachers, administrative staff, those kind of information. And it has to be just signed by your principal, and the seal has to be put school seal on the school's letterhead. That's all. And it has to be sent to, I will share the email ID of the concerned person to whom you have to send that email, along with the link of the Google Drive. So they will tally from their end, and that you're good to go. Thank you so much, ma'am. That's the reason, I tried making it very simple for everybody. How we completed this course in our school, how we did phase wise, and I would say within a month we could cover the entire school, and ours is a very, very big school. So together we got a very high number. If I count my students, 4 to 12 teachers, all teachers, kindergarten to 12th, and the administrative staff, some 6, 7, 1, 2, close to that big number. We have. Okay, Manisha ma'am, congratulations and good evening to you as well. Thank you, Poonam ma'am. So you can just fill the feedback form and then you can leave the session. You want to join the WhatsApp group, you can even join that, because CEIR, keeps doing very, very insightful, or you can say programs worth, attending. So you can just be there for some time. You see some nice programs which are coming on that on this particular platform. So you can all, get more knowledgeable about all that. Thank you, Zeenat ma'am. Thank you, Priya ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm glad that all of you could complete both the modules. Thank you so much, ma'am. So see here, everything is being shared. The Telegram link is there, linked in. Then you have the YouTube, you have the website also. All details are there. You can just retain this information. Great, Devi ma'am. Congratulations. Absolutely. So, yes, if you see there's another message coming from CEIR Global, you all can just save these messages, or, keep it in your, you join the WhatsApp group for some time, I would suggest. A lot of good programs are there on this platform. All of us, can benefit from that. Verification expired. Still showing. Can I try after? Yes, ma'am. You do that only, Sujeshma ma'am. See, for all teachers, it is getting generated. Just after some time, after maybe in the evening, 9 o'clock, around 9:30, you try that, ma'am. Okay. And if still problem persists, you write in the WhatsApp. I will look into it. Yes, ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am, you can leave the session. Thank you so much. Fill the feedback form and you can leave. And you can enjoy your weekend. Avanishwari ma'am, congratulations. Oh, great. You all have completed AI ready, AI aware and AI appreciate. Great. Okay, downloaded both the certificate, ma'am. Feedback form, it is here. I'll just share. Mary ma'am, I'll just share. Just a minute. So it is being shared. You see this, I've just now shared. You can take from here. Just click on it. Raksha ma'am, you can directly, are you not able to, Acha, you're writing that you can add me. Okay, just a minute. I will take your number then in that case. Just a minute, ma'am. To save this here. Then I will add you to that. Yeah, I've taken your number. This is Raksha ma'am, Raksha Malia ma'am. Okay. Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Oh, great, Mary ma'am. Right, you just fill up the feedback form. Great. So just take it now in your school. This is very important. Let our students also get sensitized about artificial intelligence. This is what we can do, our bit to the society. And Intel is coming with more plans for students. So surely we will keep you updated. Our children will get benefited as because they take them then to the national and international level. You can just, the website I have shared with you, in your free time, you can just see that how much work is happening. So some of the times when we don't know, we miss on these opportunities. Okay, so Dhanya ma'am, you know what? You must have missed a question. So relax. You do what? Once I will end the session now, another 5 minutes. So you just take this course all over again. You just retain this link with you and join the WhatsApp group. Okay. Some place you must have missed one quiz or maybe activity or something. Just go through the entire module. Aram se, you just give a reading and see, and do it on a laptop. Hope you're not doing on a mobile phone. Do it on a laptop so you'll be able to see the interface. Got both the certificates, ma'am. So great, congratulations. You can just fill up the attendance cum feedback form, and you can leave the session then, ma'am. You can enjoy your weekend. Anyone would like to speak to me? If at all, anywhere you got stuck, I hope you all are doing it only. So no worries, if at all, still you are, thank you, Tanushri ma'am. Happy weekend to you as well. Other modules, if you want to do, you can go ahead and do, ma'am. Those will give you more knowledge about this technology. Great. So, right. So are we all good to go? Teachers who all are facing problem can join the WhatsApp group. And as I said, in some time, you also go and relax, have a cup of tea or coffee, and then you can just, take this self-learning module all over again in the evening. And still, if you're not able to proceed, you just put it in the WhatsApp message. I will look into it. Do not worry. Okay, ma'am. Great. Masila, ma'am, thank you so much. Yes, Mary, ma'am, it is actually, and the more you'll get into it, more, I will tell you, teachers, I am now in the core team where I am also one of the teachers developing these lesson plans because from my end, the AI component comes in. So when we all collaborate, teachers, English teachers, Hindi teachers, social science, maths, I mean, it's really so exciting, for all of them. And when this integration work happens, that how, AI component can be given to one of the lessons of a particular subject, how to kind of integrate that, that's really interesting. Okay, great, Ellen, ma'am, great. So a lot of things are going to come, ma'am. So great, happy learning to everybody. Thank you, Prema, ma'am. So can we end the session now? Srisan sir, are you there?
No, ma'am.
He's not there. So, so no worries, teachers. If anyone, any of you still facing problem again and again, I am saying the same thing. I know you must be also getting tired. So just join the WhatsApp group. I'm sure by tomorrow you are going to receive all your certificates and you'll be able to finish everything.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished the courses. I got the certificate also, but when I'm clicking on the download option, it's not getting downloaded. Only I got the badge, but not the certificate.
Download the certificate also. Maybe internet issue. That could be one reason. So what you do, you just again click on that link. Okay, you just close everything, whatever you have in the browser, close everything. I mean, let this Zoom go on. So just again, you just log in. So when you log in, you write your phone number, you will receive the OTP, and then you go to that where you have the certificate. Then you again click on download. You will be able to download your certificate. Just do this process one more time.
Yeah, ma'am. But the problem is like when I'm clicking on it, no, I'm that three dots are there. No, that when I'm clicking, it is showing like a appreciate challenge that is completed 100%. But I'm not finding the certificate.
It's down only, ma'am. Scroll down. It is there only. See, I'll show you.
Okay,
yeah, ready for the challenge now. Let's go. So once you take the challenge, so see, it will ask me to take the challenge now. So AI aware challenge.
Okay.
So if I say take again, so it is asking me. So I will just randomly put something. Next. Okay, next. Then okay, like this you must have taken. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll just randomly. I'm putting some. I'll get wrong also.
Okay.
Okay, next. And like this. So, okay, after, see, for me, so it has already been generated. So I can just come to the left panel. So congratulations, you are AI aware. So are you seeing this window you are seeing?
Just a minute, ma'am. I'll just open in mine also.
In the left panel, you
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This that gift box it is showing. Click on the image.
Now you come down, scroll down. So this is your badge. And this is download badge. You can download badge. And here the certificate gets generated in the bottom.
Yeah, certificate is there, ma'am. When I'm clicking on the download, no, it's not coming.
Ma'am, then you try after some time. That means you have completed the course. You are able to see the certificate. You can just click on it. It will get downloaded. Maximum, if it is not getting downloaded, you open the snipping tool and snip it from here. What else?
Can I do that?
Snipping tool also will be a PNG image only. When you save it, it will be a PNG. This also is a PNG image. You can save it as a JPEG image also.
Oh, okay.
No issues, ma'am. It's the same thing. You can download or you can just, snipping tool say, you can just cut it and keep it.
Okay. Fine, ma'am, fine. So that is the only one certificate, right? No, ma'am?
No, one more you will get. Now when you come down, scroll down. Yeah.
See in the same thing, ma'am, or in a different one?
No, see here only, ma'am. Can you see AI appreciate? It says great work. Click here to begin with AI appreciate. So you just click on AI appreciate.
Just a minute. Where should go, ma'am? In the same thing only, I need to scroll
in the same.
down, right?
Yeah.
Where I need to click, ma'am?
Here, AI appreciate. See, you can see.
AI
yes.
appreciate. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes, Mary ma'am. You can leave the session. Once you fill up the feedback form, you can leave the session, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So AI appreciate.
For me, that I'm not getting that. It's showing like self-learning plan.
AI appreciate?
AI appreciate badge is there.
Okay.
Below that, download badge, and below that certificate is there. Okay.
Yes.
So only after that, nothing is there. I'm getting like self-learning plan.
So you can go ahead your journey like this. Your learning journey. So could you, are you able to see your appreciate certificate?
Just a minute, ma'am.
See, go on the left panel. You will find everything over there.
Okay. Yeah, appreciate. Appreciate, but it's asking again that questions and all. It is there, ma'am.
So you have not completed that?
I completed, ma'am.
How much marks did you get?
I got 9 marks.
So that's very nice, 90%. So then just after that, ma'am, see, this was this AI appreciate challenge. Can you see my window? AI appreciate AI challenge.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you go to the left panel. Left panel,
Okay.
you click, congratulations, you did AI Appreciate. Click on that.
Yes, ma'am. It did, ma'am.
Now you scroll down. You click on the image. This is basically telling you, congratulations, you have successfully completed AI for all. And then you have the AI Appreciate badge, which you can download. And you have the certificate also, which you can download. And then you want to go ahead. So your course gets completed here. Once you download your AI Appreciate certificate, you are done with the course. Now further, more you want to learn about AI, more of its, applications or domains, then you say that click here for your self-learning plan. Then you can go ahead and take self-learning plan later on, or you can finish. For this, you will not get any certificate. It just tells you little advanced concepts of AI. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'll try it, ma'am. If not, can I join the WhatsApp group, ma'am?
Yeah, that is why we are sharing the WhatsApp number, ma'am.
Okay. I will get it in the same like the link right now, ma'am. Whatever you share.
Yes, you will get it, ma'am. Can you just share the WhatsApp link again? So, okay, teachers, I think we are good to go. We can end the session now, and you can join the WhatsApp.
Hello, yes, ma'am. I joined the group, ma'am.
Great. So you joined the group. There also we will share all the links.
AI for all too. That is a group, right?
Yes.
Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
Yes, Brinda. Yeah, Brinda ma'am is talking. Who is talking?
This is Leaf, ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, I got the badge as well as the certificate, ma'am. But for
Good.
AI Appreciate, I'm not able to get anything, ma'am.
Ma'am, if you've been able to get the first part, surely you'll be able to get the second part. So what you can do, after some time, go through that AI Appreciate course again. Just go through it again. And surely you'll be able to generate your batches and certificate. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Pleasure. Great, Lalita ma'am. Great, Neha ma'am. Congratulations. Now just make your school AI ready. Be a teacher of an AI ready school. Because as I'm telling you, we are few. As I said, we recently got our plaque, the first in Southern India. So now you can imagine you all have very good, chances, because we are the early birds, you can say. So we have to be little fast in this. So get your schools AI ready. Children also will be very excited. In fact, everybody would be very excited to, do this. Okay, so we can end the session. So any other issue, you can join the WhatsApp group, and I'll take care